Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are whipping up our flavorful soy sauce chicken that is as easy to make as it's delicious. Let's dive right into this savory goodness. The ingredients are: we are going to add 3 cups of water into a large cooking pot. Dark soy sauce, all the good stuff goes in: green onions, ginger, garlic, Chinese spice powder, and black pepper. We're going to cover it and let it boil before we add our chicken. Our water is ready. We are going to add our 2/4 and leave it to cook for at least 15 minutes before we turn the other side. Just making sure that the chicken is covered with all the good stuffs. Our quarters have already started looking good and the aromas in here. Whoa. We're gonna flip the other side and also leave it to cook for 15 minutes. Our quarters are ready. We are going to place them on a wire rack to dry before we start frying them. As our quarters are getting dried, let's make our dipping sauce. But first, we'll have to remove all the good stuff that we've thrown in here. The ginger, garlic, green onion. We have to make sure that we scoop everything out. We are going to add cornstarch into our broth, which is 2 spoons of cornstarch already mixed with water. Also, we are going to add sugar to balance the salt in the soy sauce. We are going to keep stirring it for about 5 minutes. We have to cook this on a low medium heat because we don't want it to burn. We are going to stir it until it's thick and nice. Look at that. In a preheated vegetable oil, we are going to carefully place our quarters into the hot oil. Fry them until they turn beautiful golden brown for about 8 to 10 minutes, ensuring that they are all cooked all the way through in and crispy. We are going to flip the quarters one more time, just making sure that it's cooked all the way in and it's all crispy. So we are going to cook 3 minutes on both sides. Our quarters are ready. We are going to remove them from the heat and place them on a wire rack to cool down before we start serving them. time to enjoy this flavor packed dish. I served mine with fried rice and also garnished with green onions on top. I hope you enjoyed making this soy sauce chicken with me today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and let me know in the comment what you think about this video and what you want to see in the next video. Until then, happy cooking!